Hello everyone, this is Kulit of Necobites and it's already July. And today I received something from Taiwan Household Ministry. Aww. Guess what? Yes, it's my birthday. Unfortunately, there's no money inside. Okay, so today we are going to celebrate my birthday. We are going to Nomura Yakiniku in Tainan, and then after that we're going to Taroko Sports Center, and then after that I'll try the Taiwanese traditional food. When it's your birthday, it's a pork trotter with vermicelli noodles. It's called Jujiao Mian Xian. And after that we're going to Tendron. It is originally a factory for making sugar, and now it is converted as an attraction spot for activities like laser tag, VR things. There's a slide as well, and also rock climbing and wall climbing, a lot of things. Check it out. Everyone, we are now at Nomura Yakiniku and we will have our lunch here. It's a buffet yakiniku. It's a Japanese style, so you better come and try this. Scorching fire or boiling water? What's gonna happen to me? This beautiful girl. So here in Nomura Yakiniku, there's a lot of high quality meat. There's oxtail, there's wagyu, there's even scallops, squid, prawn, and of course you can drink any kind of drinks. There's tea, there's coffee, there's soft drinks, and there's also varieties of Haagen-Dazs ice cream. There's around 16 flavors to choose from. Our next destination is Taroko Sports Center, also known as the Taroko Expo Park.
You want to do more?
Oh, okay.
这个交给你，你回去可以坐着慢慢骑。
It's been 2 years since I swing a bat.
Oh, good one.
Ready? Very good. Membership fee is only 100 because there's a promotion for the month of July, and also there's a lot of freebies and there's a draw lots, and I really think you should try and register now. Taiwan's tradition whenever you have birthdays to eat the Jujiao Mian Xian or pork trotter with noodles. So I'm going to try it. Ni hao, 台湾生日的传统是 是这叫面线。很好吃。很好吃。The ring. We are lost. No.
Spend $50 for the swing, the sky swing.
Maybe the swing.
I guess that's very special, right?
Jimmy.
Can you see that we are at a really high place and it's really dark? Can you please do like that and see the background as well?
はい。はい。